Hi, I'm Giulia. I work as a postdoctoral researcher here at the Center for Demographic Studies. I'm a sociologist and I'm interested to study whether family and inequalities are interrelated in contemporary societies. On the one hand, I'm interested in investigating whether inequalities influence the family formation of individuals, but on the other hand, whether the characteristics of the family of origin have a consequence on individuals and their family transitions. For instance, here at SED, I work on a project that studies how parental wealth is associated with their children's fertility transitions. Here at SED, I have the opportunity to work and to discuss with a lot of researchers from different fields, and I find it an environment in which I could have a lot of opportunities to enrich my career as a social researcher. So I'm very happy to be here and to work here.